Bali has three main ports, and I just arrived at the biggest one, Port of Benoa. Let me tell you about this place. As soon as you step in, you'll see the Catur Muka statue. This four-faced statue isn't just a piece of art. It has deep meaning in Balinese culture. It symbolizes wisdom, spiritual guidance, and most importantly, Bali's openness to everyone. Being home to hundreds of boats, there is one that stands out, a luxury premium yacht that takes partying to a whole new level. Have you ever imagined dancing surrounded by the open sea? Well, that's exactly what's about to happen. Let's go check it. From the moment I stepped in, I could already tell this was going to be special. I was welcomed with a refreshing cold towel. Small detail, but it already set the tone for the night. Let's talk about this yacht first. Built in 2011, this 40-meter Vinci-style yacht is designed for both elegance and comfort. With three spacious decks, they already host so many events with capacities of 175 guests. Whether you're looking for a private charter or joining a public event like this one, this yacht offers something very unique. If you're bored of the usual indoor, sweaty, and crowded parties, this is where things get interesting. Imagine dancing with the ocean breeze in your hair, sipping on endless drinks, enjoying gourmet canapés, and vibing to a live DJ, all while surrounded by nothing but the open sea. And just when you think the night couldn't get any better, it does. The party reached its peak with an epic fire dance show. The music, the flames, the energy, it's all pure magic and the perfect way to end the night. And here is the best part. The entire experience starts at just $60. You can experience the difference of true quality only on board the Shivanna. So, if you want to experience this for yourself, we've got it covered. We are Diskovera, your go-to trip organizer. Just click the link in the description and we'll handle the rest. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it to your friends. See you in the next adventure.